Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the oneisall cordless pet feeder. This is app controlled. So if you have cats like I do, I got a couple cats and they eat a lot. They eat all the time. You can kind of regulate what they're eating. We have a little instruction booklet there. Look at this. Open the food tank. Okay, nice, small, sleek design there. That's really cool. Nice little lid there. Just press the button, that opens that up. Okay, really good packaging here. I've had a couple of oneisall products and I really like them all so far. Let's see, is there a trick to get this out of here? Maybe we press these buttons on the side and this lifts off. There we go. Look at that, super easy to clean, just nice, and it's clear too, so we can see how much food is in there. I like that. I've had other pet feeders where it wasn't clear. It had, you kind of had to take off the lid to see how much there is in there. So we got a little silicone gel thing, we got a charging cord and cable, and here we have this nice stainless steel bowl. So we got a slope here too, so when the food goes in there, I like that design. Looks like they address that. Other ones I've had have just been flat, so the food kind of just collects right here at the point right here, and the cats, I don't know. Yeah, but with this, it's just going to slide down into here, so they'll be more accessible. Instead of the little mouths right here trying to eat it, they can actually slide down here to where they can get it. So nice design there. I like that. Okay, so that is it. Pretty cool, actually. Wonder how much this holds. 3 liters or 12 cups, so that is cool. And then this just snaps right on here like that. Just put that on there. This goes underneath here. And then we fill it up with food, and then just goes right here on the top. We got these 2 little things to snap in. Push that in and we're good to go. All right, so let's set this thing up. I'll get the app rolling. We'll show you guys how it works. We'll see what the cats think of it, because that's the most important part. And yeah, but these are super handy. You go on vacation, or maybe you're at work a lot, you just don't have time to feed the cats, just get on your app, boom, boom, type it in, or have the automatic feeder set up so you don't have to worry that your cats are getting food or not. So it's really a good idea. Okay, friends. So on the bottom of this, we have a cord. If you want to plug it in, if you do want to use this, this is used to charge it. It's not necessary to keep this in here. So you would just simply plug this in the wall right here, turn it on, and it would show you like the button and everything right there. So it has the power indicator and all that. So this cord is just for charging. Once again, you do not have to have this in for it to work. So for this portion of the video, I'm just going to leave that out so we can see that there is no cord in there. All right, so this is just going to go right under here. Let's use this control a little bit. So if this is off, if you need the screen to come on, you simply just press that once. It's going to tell you how much time we have left on there. So we have 99 days on the battery. Now it's hold this down for 3 seconds. And we can switch, it'll like unlock it if it's locked. So we can go to feed. It has time. I believe the time is already set. We can go here. It's 10:45 p.m. Double tap to go backwards, and this is just to select your thing. So double tap goes backwards. We have a plan, so you can set up your, if you're not using the app, you can use this to change when you want the feeding times. Here we have the microphone. Let's set up a call, so when it goes to feed, it'll call the cats. So okay, so press it once and say pressing, so pressing, and then when you start pressing, then you record your thing when it starts flashing. Thomas, Boogie, time to eat. Come on, kitties. Kitties, time to eat. Boogie, Thomas. Okay. There we go. Double tap to go back. and we have obviously 99 days worth of power left. Okay, so we can, if we want to distribute a meal, we can click the feed button, press that. How many portions do we want? Let's do 3 portions. Click that again. So you hear me calling the cats there? That's pretty cool. So the cats will be familiar when the food's coming out. And once again, we can see that all the food slides forward right to here. So that's very nice. Just I like the large open surface here too, so the cats can feed easily. Other ones I had before, I think I mentioned, but the food just kind of piles up right here, and it just gets stuck there. So the cats are having to go real close to get the food out. So that's that. This is super easy to work with. I really like that. Just tap that on. This will go to sleep after a little while, and if it's not plugged in like it isn't, which it doesn't need to be, you can just simply press the button and it'll bring up the screen here. So it's not on all the time, but it will be once you push it on, it'll just come on. So very intuitive and easy to use controls here. Whether you're using this or the app, it's very simple and nice. So yeah, anyways, I think so far this is probably one of the easier pet food dispensers I have used, and has a lot of nice features that are like upgrades with from the other ones that I have used. Like I said, the big area here, the slope, the see-through container so you can see how much food is here, and then this is a very easy to use display here. All right, my friends, let's go see what the cats think about this. Okay, friends, well, the cats really seem to enjoy this. Thomas, he's my shy one, and he went right up there, started eating right away. So you can see there's plenty of room for the cats to get in there and eat. Doesn't really spill all over the place. They're super happy with this. I really like the features on this. You can plug it in if you want to or not. I like that you don't have to change the battery. It's got that built-in battery that's going to last like 3 months, so that's super nice. The cats like it. I like that it's got there's Boogie here. This is his first time checking it out, so he kind of went over there and sniffed it a little bit and made sure it was safe, and Thomas was like, yeah, it's okay. Anyways, he warmed up right to it and started eating right away. So yeah, I like the clear bowl so you can see how much food is left in there. So if you're going to go on vacation, just fill it up real quick. Make sure the cats are taken care of. oneisall definitely changing the way you pet. I really like this brand. I've done a few of the reviews of this product, and they're pretty happy with all of them. So cats are happy too, and that's what's important. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you all next time.